Hello chaps and chapettes, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a piece of kit that promises unlimited power from the sun. We're reviewing the Evoque 2 solar watch by Northedge. We'll be breaking down the specs, the real world statistics, the brand, and whether this solar powered pilot stands up to the hype. If that sounds like your kind of thing, stick around. We're getting into it right now. Right out of the gate, let's talk looks. I've got mine on this vibrant orange strap, and it gives it a rugged adventurer tool watch vibe that's hard to ignore. I've been wearing mine loads, and it seems to be handling life pretty well. Now for the nitty gritty. This is a 46mm beast with a hardened mineral crystal. On the Northedge website, these usually retail for around £100 to £120 or dollars, depending on the sale. But I would suggest you look at buying them from AliExpress, as they have them for around £28 to $30. For a solar-powered field watch, these numbers look great on paper, but let's see how it feels in the metal. As you can see, the watch is 46mm wide and 14.2mm deep. Strap width is 24mm and it weighs 105 grams. As mentioned, it has a solar movement with 180 days of battery life. Handling the Evoque, the general quality is good. It's legible and looks sharp. However, I have to be honest, it doesn't quite feel as premium or well milled as some other watches in this price bracket. It lacks that heavy heirloom density you might find from a Seiko, a high-end Casio, or even the more expensive Northedge Triton. On my 7.5-inch wrist, the 46mm size actually wears quite well. It's surprisingly comfortable for its size, thanks to the lightweight materials. It sits flat and doesn't feel like a dinner plate, which is a big win for the big watch lovers. Let's talk about the bezel. It's got a very light action, almost too light. Here, have a look and listen. There's a fair bit of play here, and it's quite easy to knock it out of alignment if you're actually out in the field. The strap, however, is a highlight. It's soft, incredibly pliable, and feels like it could take a beating. No stiff plastic feel here. Like I said, I use mine as a daily beater, and it's lasting really well. But then we get to the loom. It's not the best that we've seen, and doesn't last long after the initial charge. Northedge are one of the more reputable Chinese brands. Honestly, Northedge is a great name. It sounds like a rugged outdoor company, which makes a nice change from some of the more unusual Chinese names. I'm looking at you, Phil Never. Compared to their Triton model, you can see a drop in quality. While the Triton feels more like a dedicated diver, the Evoque 2 leans hard into that modern solar pilot look. So the pros? It's solar powered, looks fantastic on the orange strap, and the price is great. The cons were the bezel play, the lackluster loom, and a slightly light build quality. I must admit this watch, despite its flaws, is turning out to be my daily beater. So, should you buy one? If you love the look and want a set and forget solar watch for casual weekends, go for it. But if you're a build quality purist, you might want to keep looking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly watch content. Tally ho!